Hello to everyone. Uh, I welcome you all in this today's discussion over stock market, and in the continuation of making discussion on various penny stocks which I have made earlier, like Ircon International, Tech Home, Tech Solutions, then this made a lot medicine company, Selby Limited, 3i Infotech, G Media. In that, the my main motive behind this making videos on this specific stocks is that these stocks are at a very bottom price. We can say that they are penny stocks we are not, which we can pick up at a throwaway price. But if to give in last few days we are just seeing that there is a good volumes, and price is going towards positive side, growing and making. So with that intention, I have today I have come with a stock name. It is Diligent Media Corporation. It is in NSE symbol is DNA Media. It is a nifty media sector. The P ratio is only 0.36, whereas sectoral P is 23.10. So this Diligent Media Corporation Limited, whose head office is in Mumbai, it publishes daily news, views of public, and analysis, making analysis. It provides information in the area of money, sports, entertainment, opinion, speak up, health, lifestyle, science, technology, and academy in India and internationally. So let us see the today's some key figures, like the current market price of the stock is 3.40. Today's volume that is on 1st July, it is 98,009. If we see 20 days average volume, it comes 1,90,951, and 20 days delivery volume is 76.0%. Net profit, there is no figure, and operating profit, there is no figure. Industry comparison, then TTM P ratio is below industry median, market cap is below industry median, and price to book value is negative, and that shareholding pattern is that is promoters pledge remain unchanged at 12.07% of holding in March 2021 quarter. Then promoters holding remain unchanged at 62.17% in March 2021 quarter. Mutual fund holdings remains unchanged at 0.01% in March 2021 quarter. The number of mutual fund schemes remain unchanged at 1 in March 2021 quarter. FIs and FPI have decreased holdings from 5.55 to 5.28. There is minor decline in March 2021 quarter. Number of FIs and FPI investors remain unchanged at 23 in March 2021 quarter. Institutional investors have decreased holdings from 5.55% to 5.28% in March 2021 quarter. Now let us make peer analysis with the peer company. First of all, see Diligent Media. So the price of the stock on today, it is 3.40. The percentage change in the price is minus 4.23. Market cap is 40 crore. TTMP is 0.35. ROE 0. 1 year performance is 3.53, and debt to equity is minus 1.62. Indian Mart, the price is 7,141. and 2.13 is the percentage change in today. Market cap is 21,698, TTMP 77.54, price to book value is 16.13, ROE is 17.36, 1 year performance is 223.08, net profit 282 crore, net sales 669, and debt to equity is 0.0. Navneet, the price is 91.80, percentage change in price is minus 0.5, market cap is 2101, TTMP is 37.62, price to book value 2.26, ROE is 6.01, 1 year performance 17.47, net profit 55, net sales 833 crore, and debt to equity 0.05. DB Corporation, price is 103.25, percentage change in price is 2.3%, market cap is 1806 crore, TTMP is 12.78, price to book value 0.99, ROE 7.75, 1 year performance is 39.34, net profit 141 crore, net sales 1507, 0.0. Jagran Prakashan 63.20 price, it is minus 2.84, net and market cap is 1758.10, TTMP is 19.81, price to book value 0.79, ROE is 4.45, 1 year performance 56.63, net profit 78, net sales is 1289 crore, and debt to equity 0.03. So I have made complete analysis of this stock, that is Diligent Media Corporation. The stock is really at a very bottom price, that is 3.40, and it is a penny stock. Though it has today it was seller freeze, but we are saying that continuously it was in the range of 50 paisa for the almost 10 months, but now from the month of May it is on the rising trend, and has from 0.50 it has come to this price of made a high of 4.45 in the month of June, and presently the price is 3.40. So with all this, the stock is a penny stock, but my suggestions like earlier, so while making any investment in this stock, complete analysis should be made from your side also. And with all this, I am making end of today's presentation. I give my sincere thanks to which you all viewers for participating in this discussion.